Today I'm going to unbox the battery doorbell Pro from Ring, so just to see what's in our box and how to get it started. So we're going to unbox this. First of all, I'm going to lift out, this would be our manual and our charger cable first of all, and then we have our doorbell itself, which comes in a nice little package. Take that out. And obviously our camera's here protected, so we need to remove the packaging. So our battery is in here, so to take that off, what we need to do is lift the front cover off, push the push button here at the bottom, as you can see, and that should allow you to slide out your battery, which it does, like so. There's our battery. We have our charger, USB charger, obviously that goes in there, and then we're going to charge this up for as long as it takes to charge. Thank you.